Okay, for demonstration purposes, I'm going to show you the machine was in fully automatic mode. So I'm going to change it now to manual mode. Both heads are set to manual mode. We can decide to turn off head 1 if we wish, and just operate on head 2, which is what. So we'll start there. At the moment, in manual mode, we've got prime, continuous. So for demonstration purposes, we've just got 2 vessels underneath. We could easily put a bottle underneath these 2 vessels to see what's actually happening as we're blind filling with black bottles. So if we prime head 1, which is used to prime the machine, press and hold. If we just touch the button, allows the head. Continuous is the latched button, so it will run continuously when pressed until pressed again. So runs, press again, stops. Prime, press and hold, press and hold. So that's the control. And similarly with head 2, which is a different product. Head 2 was running water, head 1 is running cream. So press prime on head 1, so it's cream, or continuous, stop. So for example, we wanted to run both heads at once. Different products. Can do manual mode. Manual mode will just run once and stop. So here we'll start with water, making sure that the vessels are underneath each filling head. So start cycle head 2. This has the profile for filling the bottle. So once it's filled one cycle, stops. Do it again. As you can see, the screen shows display where the bottle is in relation to where it's being filled. If we do that on head 2, however, we'll have to turn head 2 on to manual mode. You start filling cycle. You see, when I press that, you'll see the bottle starts at the bottom and it starts filling up. So press start head cycle. Start moving. Do that again. If, for example, we weren't happy with that and it was an underfill, then you can alter the fill setting, say 62,000. I mean, that's quite a big jump in number. We could go up just like by 10, but it won't have too much effect. That's why it's so accurate. And then we start again. It'll fill for slightly longer. It's not noticeable here, but obviously in the bottle it would give it that extra amount of fill. You notice the product is piling up. It's quite a thick product. It doesn't move much. That's a hair conditioner. But on the other side,